think I'm ready for my close-up.
What's up, you guys? It's Mikeya. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are not, thanks for coming on back today. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my straight hair routine. So this is my hair, you know, just regular how I wear my hair. So I'm gonna be taking this concoction. I'm gonna leave down at the bottom, like what I put in here is conditioner and a lot of oils to help me take down these braids. These braids been in like a week and I haven't moisturized my hair, so I'm like, if I'm gonna straighten my hair, I want to put some moisture back into my hair. So I just spray my hair with some water to help me take down the braid and use my little concoction or whatnot. And I'm trying to be really careful with taking this down because, like I said, my hair was dry and I need to put some moisture back into that. And right now I'm just showing you guys how to detangle my hair, and my ends need to be clipped so freaking bad, y'all. Can y'all tell? They're horrible. And when I get to that point where I feel like the section is thoroughly detangled, I cannot talk, oh my goodness, I do a regular twist and I wash my hair in these twists and I take them down to give myself a thorough wash. Shampoo and conditioner. Today I'm using the Brazilian Keratin Therapy from OGX. And I just wanted to use something that's for straightening the hair because I was back and forth like deciding, and then I use my favorite deep conditioner of all time. This is how my hair looks when it's completely washed. I already blown my hair out on the opposite side. I just wanted to show you guys how my hair looks when it's completely clean. I don't have any real definition, which is fine. And I'm going to split the area in half, and then I'm going to make smaller sessions. And then I'm going to take the Brazilian Keratin Therapy flat ironing spray today for my heat protectant. And I'm going to just spray this on this section, and then I'm going to do the tension method, the blow dryer, and then I'm going to take this comb attachment and finish blow drying my hair all the way through. I want my hair completely straight at this point. It was a little hard for me to blow dry my hair because, like I said, my ends need to be cut, and I could not wait to get to some scissors. And then at this point, I take a paddle brush to go through my hair to help me finish, you know, get out of those knots and whatnot to keep it straight. And this is how it looks. It's long, isn't it, you guys? And so this is how my hair looks, completely blown, dried. And I'm going to take this cheese silk infusion. I got those small travel size because nobody was not trying to buy the big size. Girls, you have. So I have got my sister to help me because, girl, I was not going to struggle doing this. So I'm just putting that out throughout my hair. So to get my hair completely straight, we are using the chasing method. And she used the comb, and then she went over my roots, and then she took a brush and she went all the way down that section with a brush, and the brush helps so much more. With the comb, you get all, you know, you get your hair straight, but the brush, like, oh my goodness, it's like, what? When she got done with the ends, I clipped the ends that I felt needed to be clipped. And yeah, now back of my hair and the sides of my hair is really long, but the front is my struggle area, I know, but it's okay. And I did a protein treatment the week before, so if you guys straighten your hair, make sure you do like a strengthening treatment on your hair before you straighten it. So yeah, this is my hair completely straightened. I haven't straightened my hair in about almost 2 years, yeah. So yeah, this is it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.